I'm going to show you how to place an order through our extraction services. You're going to go to the service menu after you log in or create an account, extraction services, and select extraction all services. This is where we will start the order. Now, a couple items we have an express service for 6 hours or less, and we have a rush service for 12 hours or less if need be. You want to hover over these question mark icons to find out the details and number of images that we can accept for those services. You're going to put in your order name. We'll call it the Wildcats. From here, you are going to select what type of background we are extracting from. Any background is any solid or environmental background. Lastolite is a lastolite highlight. Green screen, blue screen is green screen, blue screen. Or if you have products or animals that you need extracted, you can place that under product. Please keep in mind these three services are for people only. And you can always hover whenever you see these camera icons. That means we have images to show you examples. So if we click on that, you'll see we have any background, lastolite, blue screen, green screen. We will select any background for this example. We have a premium and a standard. This is if you're printing a larger than 11 by 14, and standard is if you're printing smaller than 11 by 14. Now you have a couple options here. You have images with just 1 to 2 people in them, or if you have group images of 3 or more teams, you can actually place one order with multiple images. So, or I should say multiple people in the images, whether it's 1 to 2 or 3 or more. For this example, we're just going to use 1 to 2 people. And we're going to say we have 5 images. All right. Now you will get a more expanded menu. Your body length required. Are we extracting from full length or 3/4 or headshot? And if it's 3/4, you'll be asked, are your images cropped to 3/4? If they're not, we will crop them for you for 5 cents an image. For this example, we will use full. Add-ons. If there are things you want to add on, this is where you click Show Options. Do you want us to include certain items in the extractions? As you'll see, everything is pretty well free, except for soccer nets and volleyball nets. But clicking that lets us know we need to keep those items. Do you need drop shadow? Again, camera icon, for example, reflection, camera icon, for example, grass shoe cleanup, green spill from green screen. Do you need your images colored or exposure adjust? Or if you need some retouching, you have a la carte items from blemish removal to skin softening, whitening of eyes that you can select here. File output. If you need nothing but just transparent PNGs, you need to do no more here. You want other options? You will use this. The default is transparent, and always keep this checked because we'll always return your transparents to you regardless of if you select another type of background, such as solid black, solid gray, solid white, if you're uploading your own background for us to put it on, or if you want to use one of our images from a graphics gallery. Again, this will take you to our gallery of designers, and you can select their backgrounds. But we have Josh Hanna, PSM Graphics, and My Photo Borders. We can only return these as a JPEG, TIFF, or PSD single layer. But if you are selecting your own background, or solid gray, solid black, solid white, we can provide you with PSD with layer mask or TIFF with layer mask. Let us know if your background page orientation is vertical or horizontal. And also what your background output format is, if you want it layered, TIFF. For our example, we're just going to use traditional, transparent, and PNG. We do have an option here with PhotoDay, our good friends over at PhotoDay, if you're using their online platform. They do have a file size specific for extractions they like uploaded. We will size those images specific to that size for 5 cents a file. Send an online proof. If you're just getting a transparent background and a PNG or any of these, you do not need a proof because the proof is going to show your images against white. The only time I recommend this is if you're using your background or our graphics gallery. Now that you have completed this, you will add to cart. And from here, you will proceed to checkout and pay. Once you pay, you will be sent to our image uploader to upload your images. Thank you. Have a great day.